Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 2020 Dodge Charger. Full front XPEL Ultimate Plus with doors and rockers. We also added the Fine Labs heel light to the remainder of the car, the top rear quarters bumper back there, and ceramic over the bra as well by Fine Labs. This is the XPEL Ultimate Plus that's running over, obviously, the fender flares as well. And these fender flares get done all in one section. There are no breakups around the wheel, the whole arch. They all go in one piece and wrap, all the way around the edge underneath the interior of the wheel well. Coming into the front, we got a full bumper and headlights, along with mirrors. And coming into our doors and fenders, always wrapping in there, always wrapping in, folding it around this edge, removing this. And then obviously the hood here, nothing, stealth is too matte for this, and gloss obviously is gonna be too glossy. This is a satin finish that's painted by the Chrysler Corp for this vehicle. This got all three top panels. And then coming back here, finishing up into the doors, wrapping all the way around the edges from the driver door in and the rear passenger back. And that's it. The rest of it was done with the Fine Labs ceramic coating. Everything was paint corrected, decon first, then paint corrected, brought inside, checked through our lights, and then if it needs to go back out for a second decon, we do that outside one more time. But everything gets done until it's ready to wrap. Nothing will get touched with any ceramic or paint protection film until the surface is the way we want it. And that is about it, folks. So XPEL Ultimate Plus again, and up next is going to be this Corvette in a full wrap. We'll cover that later in the week. And that is another full front on that GT500. And behind that, we have a ZL1. Wow, that thing, it's black. You can't even see it. It's a ZL1 convertible. Wow, it's so dark. You can't even see it from outside. But anyway, so this is getting a full front, doors, rockers, pretty much the full car, and then with some ceramic. So there it is, finishing up its wash, decon, and we're going to bring it in here, check it out. And if it has to go back out, that's where it goes. So if you're looking for the proper way to get your car wrapped or coated, let us know. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com if you have any questions. Thank you.